Hello creative friends, today we're going to teach you how to paint palm trees. Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy, we teach the world to paint. All of these brushes will help us paint palm trees. A flat brush, a round brush, and a small liner brush or detailer. Let's go ahead and create a bendy tree trunk with brown. Use your flat brush or your small round brush to do this. You can see that we used a lighter brown to start and then added some darker brown at the base of the trunk. We're also going to add dark brown to the top of the trunk as it will be in shade from all of the palm fronds that we're about to create. Here's how to paint palm fronds. We'll be painting arched lines radiating from the trunk. Use a small round brush to do this. We're using leaf green paint. Paint a curved line to start. Remember, it's radiating from the trunk. From this line, we will paint small angled spiky lines all in the same direction. Some of them can be slightly longer than others. Fan these lines out. Leave the ends wispy. It's okay if it looks a little jagged. Continue this all the way down the initial curved line. If you like, you can add a few pieces sticking out of the other side of the palm frond too, as these palms are all moving in the wind. Let's repeat this process again. Paint another curved line radiating from the trunk. Choose a side of the line and paint short angled spikes all in a row. Move on to the next palm frond and repeat this process. Paint another curved line. Paint short, spiky lines going the same way at an angle coming off of this line. Keep repeating this process. You can create a mix of shorter and longer palm fronds all around, facing different directions. Keep filling in empty spaces with palm fronds using the same method. Add another layer of green if there's anything that looks sparse or you can see the canvas through the green paint. Use light tan to add a highlight to the underside of the trunk. We're using a small liner brush to do this. So all you have to do is trace the underside of the trunk with the tan in the small brush and then create little hatch marks that are all parallel to one another to show the texture of the tree trunk. It's time to let your painting dry before moving on. Mix 2 parts brown, 1 part yellow, and a dash of orange to create light golden brown. Use the same palm frond painting technique here. You'll need this bright golden brown to create some of the smaller palms towards the center. These smaller pieces are usually closer to the trunk and shorter. Apply a deep brown to define the center ridge of the frond. Continue to add green palm fronds in the empty spaces in between the other palm fronds that you've already painted. Use a deep green to add definition to the ridges of the palm fronds. Continue this process with some or all of the palms. Use the light golden brown that you mixed earlier to add some detail in certain spots. Continue this process of defining the ridges and spiky bits of each palm frond. You can use a mixture of either leaf green or mix a deeper green like we have here, using green and a bit of brown to make it darker. If you see any empty spaces in between the palm fronds that you sort of dislike, you can add either small pieces or larger pieces as you see fit. Outline the tree trunk delicately with a liner brush and brown paint to give some quick form to our tree trunk. So as we wrap up this imagery, go ahead and add any last details with your liner brush or your detailer brush, and that's it. Thank you so much for joining us, and thanks for watching. Did this video help you today? If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more videos just like this.